Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to use TickTick as a productivity tool. So this video is going to be long, so without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you have to open your web browser, either Google Chrome or Safari, and here you have to write the name of the app, that is TickTick, and you can open it from right here. If you're new here, you can click on get started. So I'm new here, so I'm going to click here. So you can write your nickname, your email, and a password. Alright guys, so I have written my email and my name and my password. So here I am. We can do this later on, that's not an issue. Yeah. Choose the to-do list you need. Work, shopping, memo. I would say work. Work would be much better. This is actually the home page of TickTick. This is where you're going to land. I don't know. Initially, there was no demo right here, but they have added it recently. So they're telling us, what we need to do and how we can do it. So you can get help pretty much from these tutorials or demos that they have displayed right here. So let's just ignore it. So this is the basic home page. I told you before, this is a profile and settings. We're going to go here later on. This is the calendar, but we are going to get the calendar in the premium mode. A calendar actually helps putting all your tasks and reminders on the calendar. This is like a sample they have shown how it's going to be. Moving on, habit tracker, we're going to come here later on. And yes, that's it. So if we come here to the home page, we can see it's today, next 7 days, and then there's inbox. And if we have anything for today, we can, add a task for today. If we have anything for the next 7 days, then we can add a task here. So let's just start with a task. And here you can see we have to put the date for the execution of the task. Let's just say we go here to today, and then yes, we add a task for today. So the task is YouTube SEO. Now that's the task that we need to do. So you can see our task is displayed right here. And we can write a description as well. So here you go, guys. I've written the description, and this is for today. You can see we can set a time as well. Like if I want to get reminded at the specific time that I select. For example, if I want to be reminded at 10, so I'm going to add this, and 5 minutes ahead and on time as well. And okay, we have to upgrade for that, sorry. Yeah, so if we want to get reminded on time and 5 minutes before as well, so yeah, we can do that and then repeat daily. So this is, the reminder, and this is the time, and yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot to add time. I just added it, by the way. I don't know why they didn't update it. So yeah, this is the time at which I am going to be reminded for the task, and 5 minutes ahead and daily. So if I have to do SEO of my YouTube videos daily, I'm going to set a task for daily, and I'm going to put a reminder on daily purpose and the time as well. At this time, I'm going to do the SEO of my videos. So yeah, okay. So you see that I have this task, and they're going to remind me at 22, that is 10 p.m. And at 10 p.m., before 10 p.m., at 9:55 p.m., they're going to send me a reminder, and they're going to remind me that I have to do this task. So at 9:55 p.m., they're going to send me a reminder, and they're going to tell me that you have to do this task. So this is the task section. And once we have clicked on the checklist, that means that we have completed the task. So it's simple as it is. There's no rocket science involved, and it's pretty easy to do. It's, like I said, not that difficult. If I unchecked it, then it's gonna move out of completed and it's gonna go here. So if I click hide details, then it's gonna show this. And if I click show details, then it's gonna show the description as well. So yeah, again, if I click it, then you can see it moved to the completed section. The same is for the next 7 days. And like, it's not difficult or it's not different from the one we have just did. And inbox will show you the tasks. Oh, and by the way, there's one more thing that I forgot to tell you in the beginning, but better late than never. We can filter the task as well. You know, there's an option of filter. Display task filter by list, date, priority, tag, and more. And we can also, segregate our task with tags. So you can see this written here, categorize your task with tags. Quickly select a tag by typing hash when adding a task. So yeah, we can segregate our task using filters and tags as well. So yeah, this was, I wanted to tell you that we have other options as well of segregation. Now moving on to habit. Now this is something very interesting. Let me show you how it's done. I'm going to add a habit. And yeah, I'm going to do a daily frequency. Let me just name it. For example, if I want to stop smoking, so it's going to remind me daily, and we can also do it for weekly and interval. So I'm going to click daily here, and the goal is to achieve it all. And start date is today, and goal days forever. And in the morning, I would like a reminder in the morning at 9 a.m. auto pop-up of habit log. Yeah, I would do that because if it would pop up, it would be much more convenient for me. So yeah, save. So you can see that we have added a habit here, that is to stop smoking. And every day I'm going to click here if I have achieved my first milestone. Like if I have not smoked for one single day, I'm going to click here and I'm going to give a feedback. If I'm happy, if I'm super happy, if I'm skeptical, if I'm sad, and if I'm crying, it depends on how I complete the goal. So the more you do it, the more you're going to click on these, the more number of days, I mean. So yeah, it's simple as it is. So that was it. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.